Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look. This look is really simple, but it's a little bit glam at the same time. So I like to start off with prepping my skin with moisturizer, sunscreen, and primer. So after my skin is prepped, I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan to highlight underneath my eyebrows, and then I do try and conceal some of the dark marks that I may have, as well as the discoloration that I have around my mouth. For more of my natural looks, I like to use this Clinique foundation. It's in the shade Spice. I add it to my hand first, and then I kind of let it set, and then I'll start to tap my brush into it before I tap it onto my face. This really helps me control how much product I'm using, and I'm tapping really gently to give more of a natural look and use less product. Now, using the same brush but without adding any more foundation, I'm going to blend out the under eye concealer that I had just to kind of diffuse the color but still give a good highlight from underneath my eyebrows. Then I'll be setting that concealer with the One Size translucent powder. So for my lids, I just used the Juvias bronzer. I put that all over my lids, and I really focused it in the corner of my eyes to kind of start my contour before I add my actual contour. So I'm using the contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and I put that right between my eyebrows and my nose. And then I'm just adding it to your normal contour areas. I'm also going to under blush with some blush that I got from the beauty supply store. So I'm not really sure what it's called. It came in a contour kit, but I'm adding that right atop of my contour, but a little further up to really hit my cheekbones. Now, getting into my under eye, I like to put that concealer on my hand as well. And again, I let it sit before I put it onto my face. So I just tapped my brush. This is a smaller brush. It's not the same brush from earlier because I do still want a bright under eye, even though I want this look to be a little natural, a little glam. So I'm just tapping my brush into the concealer and just tapping it really gently under my eye. I do have a lot of under eye creasing, so this process takes me a while. I like to build it up until I just get the look that I'm going for. I'll even do this same thing when I am doing a full coverage glam look. But because I have so many creases under my eyes, I like to take my time to really make sure that I blend everything out. Now taking the brush that had the foundation on it, I'm going to blend out the corners of the concealer down into the blush to kind of give it more of a seamless type of look and to make sure that everything looks really natural. After everything is blended out, I'm going to go in with my one size powder again and just tap that underneath my eye. And I'm going to build up that powder as well. So I'm going back up and tapping even more. And then I'm going right underneath my contour with the powder and down the bridge of my nose. And then we're going to go right into blending out my contour. Using a fan brush, I start to blend my contour downward, down the bridge of my nose, and then a little bit into my eyebrow. The fan brush really helps me to kind of keep the contour in place and not to kind of start blending all over the place. And then I like to do my cheekbones with the fan brush as well. And again, it just helps me to not like over blend the contour up into where I've highlighted. Once I finish blending everything out, I'm just using the one size powder to set everything. So to keep the natural look going, I just kind of brush my eyebrows into place and then just kind of fill them over with a pomade to make them a little bit darker and kind of overline them, but not too much. So I'm really still trying to go for a natural look, but just giving it that extra little pop by adding more color and shape to them. I do like to add contour where my eyebrows and my cream contour meet just to help with blending. So now I'm just going to bake under my eye and then I'm going to move on to my eyelashes. So I'm adding a bonding lash glue to my lashes and then I'm just going to be adding the they're kind of like lash extensions, but they're the like individual lashes. If this is the pack here. It's the IMV pack, and I just add them underneath my original eyelashes, and it gives it a really natural look. So I used to get my eyelashes done all the time, but I've been taking a long break. They broke off so bad that I couldn't even get my lashes done anymore. But my lashes are finally starting to grow back, and I don't think I even want to go back to lash extensions just because of the damage that they caused. But this I actually really like. It's really easy. I can still take them off at night or keep them on. So I really am enjoying doing my lashes like this. And now I'm just blending everything out. The look is kind of done. I'm just going to add some lip gloss and then put on some, what is it called? Some setting spray. So I use the One Size setting spray, but I will have all of the products linked below for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think down below and subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you like it, of course. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I cannot wait to see you on the next one.